Okay, hey guys, let's go ahead and do this. I am doing a Destination Wax haul. It's a very small haul. I ordered from her June 1st opening. There were a couple things I wanted to get from her and I kept it. I didn't get anything. I only got a few new things, but I got a few like repeat purchases, things that I wanted in my stash for later because I really enjoyed them. So let's just jump right on in. This is probably one of the smallest hauls that I've ever done on my channel, which is totally cool because there's no need to hoard, right? So this of course is her standard packaging. You get like a nice little bag that says your name, hi Kimberly, thank you, happy June melting, Rebecca. Always very nice. She takes the time to wrap it up in a cute, I don't know what this is called. I'm trying to remember from my scrapbooking days what this, jute, is that what it is? I don't know. She was very nice and gave a actually full-size scent shot in, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's Libyan bread. Oh God, I hope I pronounced that right too. Bread drizzled with clementine scented honey, and I do actually own one of these scent shots already, so I already know I'm probably gonna like this. I have not warmed it yet, but it is very good. Like, it smells great. So good. It's like you definitely get the clementine with that bread note over top. Oh, so good. So actually glad I have a second one of these. The other sample she sent is I think that's some sort of flower, or I don't know what that is, but it is in black vanilla, dark Madagascar vanilla, enriched with tonka and patchouli. So sadly, this reminds me of my grandma. It reminds me of a perfume that my grandma used to wear, and I was not a fan. I mean, I was sweet and like always thought, oh, you smell good, Grandma, but really I didn't want to smell like her. That sounds horrible. That sounds really, really bad. I don't know. I can't do the really strong patchoulis, I guess. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's the patchouli that's kind of throwing me off there, but I'll pass that along to someone who will enjoy it. All right, so repurchases. So the first thing I picked up was Ghostess. This is Parma Violets and lightly toasted marshmallow. And man, this opening, she did say that this opening was, I think she's just tired. I think she's tired over there. I think she's been pouring like crazy, and I think her last opening was probably pretty big. So she was like, this order or this round is going to be pretty slim pickings. So although I think she did offer, I think she offered her entire scent list. I think she just had limited in the blocks that she does and a couple other things. And the foil pans, I believe. This is one of my all-time favorites from her. It's a violet with the toasted marshmallow, obviously. It's just kind of a take on, if you like violet from like VCS, or who's the other, like a violet sugar cookies or anything like that, you would like this one. I almost grabbed the sister scent to this is Shop Around, which is very similar to this, but I already have blocks of that. So I was like, you know what? You don't need to buy Shop Around. So I grabbed two of those since I was ordering. Wanted to just make the order a little bit more worth it than just grabbing one. A lot of you guys had told me about Jelly Cronut. So I did grab some of this. This is flaky, buttery croissant donut filled with blackberry, raspberry, strawberry jelly. I grabbed 3 of these bad boys because I warmed this one last month and I freaking loved it. You guys were so right about this one being amazing. It has such a good mix of, a lot of times with these scents, all I get is like the fruit. And I'm like, I don't want the fruit. I want the bready part to come out. And this one does exactly that. It's like the perfect balance of the jelly part and the cronut. So that one was so good. I listed that as one of my favorites from my melting week a couple weeks ago. Or maybe it was last week, I can't remember. This one is new to me. I also bought another one that I have had before and I forgot that I had it. I'm so mad at myself, but whatever. So this is lavender, and I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is lavender twilight blended with tobacco sugar. I've been loving the sweetness of tobacco sugar, so I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna grab, I grabbed a lavender twilight in another scent. I'm like, let me just grab this too. So I'm not smelling the tobacco in here. I'm getting lavender twilight right now. We'll see if that changes later on when I warm it, but it's very light on the tobacco, tobacco sugar, if it's in there. The Destination Wax, why did I just say that? We all know this is Destination Wax. Rosewater Lemonade. So this is the one I had before, and I'm so dumb. It's a fanciful blend of rosewater and sweet lemonade. I didn't think I had tried this one before. I thought, oh, rosewater lemonade. I love lemonade scents. And then I remember why I didn't like it. I remember why I didn't like it the first time was because the rosewater is very floral in here. In fact, I get hardly any lemonade at all. It's mostly a rosewater scent. Very floral. It's heavy on the floral actually. So I don't love this one, and I think I got rid of it from before. So that was my mistake. And then I grabbed a lime margarita. I've just been wanting plain lime margarita from any vendor. And this is Call the Cabana Boy, a fruity chilled lime margarita, which, of course, it's called lime margarita. And I find that the lime margarita oil is pretty much the same across all vendors. I feel like there's not a lot of lime margarita oils out there. At least none that I've come across yet. So this one smells very similar to another vendor's lime margarita scent that I like, and I just like, you know what, let me get it from Destination Wax. So I thought I'd try it. And then the last thing I got is, this is one of my friend's favorite scents, and I know she gets I think she gets an owl probably every time she orders. It's Lavender Twilight. This is Sweet Lavender, Lilac, Tonka Bean, and Ylang Ylang compared to Lush Twilight. I love the Lush Twilight Bath Bomb. So, oh, how pretty. I didn't even take this out. Whoa, that is super gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the shimmer on there, but so pretty. Sorry, my nails are janky. Yeah, and this smells just like Lavender Twilight. It's pretty close. Like, obviously when you have the Lavender Twilight Bath Bomb in your hands, it's a little bit different because you get like that bath bomb dust smell. It's pretty darn close though. So anyways, all right, that is it. Oh, and then she does always wrap it in this brown wrap with the, what is a washi tape? Yeah, the washi tape. Always super cute presentation with her. And yeah, she got this out super fast. I was like, holy crap, like my order already shipped. I thought she still had to pour stuff, but I guess it was already like ready to pour. So that is my little small order, and then my samples are right here. So yeah, that's my small Destination Wax haul. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did order from this one, and if you have favorites from Destination Wax, I'd love to know what they are. I've tried a lot, well, not a lot. I've tried quite a few of her scents already from the last couple of times I've ordered, and I've kind of picked out some favorites, but I know there's probably more at some point that I'll find. But if you have a favorite, I'd love to know. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.